Okay, let's see here. This one right here is missing a parenthesis. Okay. By the way, in order to get full credit for all of this, remember I said you had to watch the videos, everything has to be filled out. It's not just the final answers. You need to show your steps. So whether you do them on your own and then watch the video, or you just did them on your own and are turning them in, you need to show all your steps, not just the answers. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to follow my steps. Change the middle sign. So if you want to do, you should have already done this because you have this. So change the middle sign. This becomes positive. This becomes positive. This one goes away and becomes negative. I'm going to rewrite that. The first part stays the same. Plus 2x plus x squared minus 5. And I don't have a black Sharpie. If it helps you, when you're crossing this out, because I'm using a red one, to use, just to block that out, so you don't see it, okay? And then maybe make this like that, and then that becomes a negative, okay? So now, what do I do next? I block it out. This is just an addition problem. Here's x squared. Do I have any more x squareds? I do. Keep the sign with it. Then I go back. Here is x. Here's a positive x. Then I go through. Alright. Now I need to just combine. Hopefully you wrote those steps down. 8x squared. Any more squares? Yes? Come back. Any circles? Yep. Pause it. Write yours down. Unpause it. I have limited time on these videos, otherwise they'll tell me you've taken up too much time and I can't post them. So that's why you can always pause them. There's a 1 in front of there. Anybody else want to put a 1 in front of? No. 8 plus 1 is 9x squared. Negative 4. If I want to write that down, negative 4 plus 2. That becomes negative 2x. Negative 3 minus 5, when you put that in your calculator, is negative 8. And again, like I said, if you want to make it so that it's all one problem, this is the same. I'm just squeezing it together. Okay? Alright, let's look at our steps. What do we do first? Change the middle sign. What do we do next? Everybody else is opposite. This is a positive 3. It's understood to be there, so I'm going to make it negative. This is positive. I'm going to blot that out. I'm going to make it negative. And then this becomes positive. So I'm going to rewrite that. 3x squared minus 2x plus negative 3x squared minus 5x plus 1. Okay? What do I do next? What do my steps say? Now I combine. Alright, x squared, any more x squareds? There's another one, any more? Nope. Alright, come back through, make sure I get the sign. Make sure I get the sign. And then you're all by yourself. Now what do I do? Combine. 3x squared. What's in the box? Minus 3x squared. What's in the circle? Minus 2x minus 5x plus 1. Combine these. 3 minus 3 is 0. They cancel out. Negative 2 minus 5 is a negative 7x plus 1. Okay? And the last one, I'm just going to do it really quick. Pause me if you need to. First, there's my middle one. So if this is a subtraction, make it addition. This is negative, this becomes positive. This becomes negative, and this becomes positive. So that when I rewrite it, do next? That is not that is not an x squared. I don't want that one. Now what do I do? Combine. I hope you wrote those steps down. Put in your calculator. So that's the final answer. All right, one last video.